Welcome to yet another highlight episode of this week, and as usual I will be explaining about the episodes that I uploaded all through the week, and if you have missed any, please do go and watch that episode. So this week started with the episode about imposed motherhood in Iran, and in this video I had explained about how Iran banned contraceptives in Iranian government hospitals with an attempt to increase their population. Next I did a two-parts episode on China and Ladakh border issue. In the first part I had explained the entire history of Ladakh, Tibet and China starting from 740 AD. And in second part I had explained about what happened after the Indo-China War in 1962 and how it led to the Galwan Valley incident of last week. This week there was a devastating announcement from the White House about issuing visa to foreign nationals. So in this episode I explained about what are the new visa restrictions and what are the types of visas that are restricted, and I did this episode also in Tamil. Then again I did another two-parts episode on India-Nepal border issue. In these two parts also I covered the entire history between India and Nepal relations, and then I also explained about the diplomatic relations between India and Nepal. I also covered a small segment about how India treats China and how India treats Nepal diplomatically. If you have interest in diplomacy, these episodes would definitely interest you. Then I did a very interesting, very colorful episode on Russia's Victory Day. Russia's Victory Day happened this week, and India's Defense Minister Rajnath Singh also attended this event. And in this episode, I also had included the visuals of the perfectly disciplined marching troops. If you are someone who likes march past and marching band, please do not miss this episode. Then I did two episodes based on musical experiences. First one is about how few musicians played for more than 2,000 plants in the most famous opera house in Barcelona. And the next one is about how blues musicians rehearsed in front of the public for free on fishing boats. Both these episodes had the clips of the concert, so please do watch these episodes if you haven't watched it yet. Last but not least, because this is one of the most hopeful stories that I've ever heard, because in this episode I had explained about how a miner became a millionaire overnight. This story proves that good things may happen to anyone at any time. And these are the episodes that I uploaded all through the week. Hope you liked all those episodes. If you have missed any, please do watch it, and also stay connected with us for another set of episodes next week.